Modern mountain designs, architectural marvels that connect with nature. Introduction: discover the beauty of modern mountain architecture. Welcome to our channel, Nookup YouTube channel, where we explore the world of architecture and design. Today, we dive into a captivating topic: modern mountain designs, architectural marvels that connect with nature. In this video, we'll take you through stunning architectural features that not only enhance the beauty of mountainous landscapes but also foster a deep connection with nature. We'll explore how these designs balance luxury, sustainability, and breathtaking views. If you're passionate about architectural innovation or dreaming of a serene mountain escape, you're in the right place. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The philosophy behind modern mountain design. Modern mountain architecture is more than just a structure, it's a philosophy rooted in harmony with the environment. These homes are designed with the landscape in mind, prioritizing the connection between human habitation and nature. Architects focus on using the natural contours of the land, working with slopes, cliffs, and forested areas to ensure minimal disruption. This approach allows homeowners to experience the tranquility of their surroundings without compromising on the structural integrity of the home. By embracing the principles of sustainability and natural aesthetics, modern Sustainability, a core element of mountain design. One of the most essential aspects of modern mountain architecture is its focus on sustainability. Building in remote or elevated locations often means relying on natural resources to reduce the environmental impact. Architects incorporate energy-efficient systems such as solar panels, geothermal heating, and water collection systems to create eco-friendly homes. Additionally, the use of sustainable materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and locally sourced materials ensures that the home blends seamlessly into its environment. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the most captivating elements of modern mountain designs is the way they maximize natural light and showcase the surrounding views. Floor-to-ceiling windows are a common feature, offering panoramic views of the mountains, valleys, and forests. This not only floods the interior with natural light but also blurs the boundary between indoors and outdoors. Open floor plans further enhance this experience, allowing light to travel through the space and create a sense of openness and airiness. By embracing natural light and views, these homes feel more connected to the surroundings. Indoor-outdoor living, blurring the boundaries. Modern mountain homes emphasize the concept of indoor-outdoor living, encouraging residents to engage with their surroundings. Patios, terraces, and large decks are often integrated into the design, providing seamless transitions between indoor spaces and the natural world. Outdoor fireplaces, kitchens, and lounge areas make it easy to enjoy the crisp mountain air and scenic views while still maintaining the comfort of home. Whether for morning coffee with a sunrise view or evening gatherings under the stars, these outdoor living spaces create a harmonious Natural materials, blending with the landscape. The use of natural materials is a key feature in modern mountain design. Wood, stone, and glass are often the dominant materials, chosen for their ability to blend with the natural environment. Wooden beams and stone facades echo the surrounding forest and rocky terrain, creating a sense of continuity between the house and its setting. Glass, on the other hand, invites the outdoors in, offering unobstructed views of the landscape. By using materials that complement the surrounding environment, modern mountain homes feel like extensions of the land. Designing for extreme weather conditions. Living in the mountains presents unique challenges, particularly when it comes to weather. Modern mountain homes are designed with these challenges in mind, incorporating features like steeply pitched roofs to handle heavy snowfall, insulated walls for temperature control, and storm-resistant windows. These homes must be resilient against extreme weather conditions while still offering comfort and style. Architects often design homes with layered structures, allowing for flexible spaces that adapt to the seasons. These practical considerations ensure that the homes are not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional and durable. Technology and innovation in mountain architecture. While modern mountain designs focus on blending with nature, they also embrace the latest in technological innovations. Smart home systems allow for energy-efficient management, remote monitoring, and security, all essential for homes in remote locations. In addition, innovative building techniques like prefabrication and modular construction are becoming more popular, allowing homes to be built efficiently even in challenging terrains. The fusion of technology with natural elements creates homes that are not only creating a sense of calm and retreat. One of the most alluring aspects of modern mountain living is the sense of calm and retreat it offers. These homes are designed to be sanctuaries, places where homeowners can escape the hustle and bustle of urban life and reconnect with nature. Minimalist interiors, neutral color palettes, and expansive views create a peaceful atmosphere that encourages relaxation and mindfulness. Whether it's the quiet of a snow-covered forest or the serenity of a mountain vista, these homes provide an escape into nature, offering a balanced lifestyle of luxury and simplicity. Conclusion: embracing modern mountain living. In conclusion, modern mountain designs are architectural marvels that successfully connect with nature. By prioritizing sustainability, natural materials, and innovative design, these homes offer a harmonious living experience in some of the world's most stunning landscapes. Whether you're looking for a peaceful retreat, a luxurious escape, or a sustainable living solution, modern mountain homes have something to offer everyone. If you enjoyed this exploration of modern mountain architecture, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with